Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from similar shapes which is being referred from Edexcel GCSE Higher Paper 1 from November 2017, and this is a no calculator paper. The two triangles in the diagram are similar. There are two possible values of x. Work out each of these values. State any assumptions you make in your working. Now here we have been given two triangles, as we can see. The first triangle is this small triangle ABE and the second triangle is this bigger triangle ACD, and it is given that the two triangles are similar. So we need to find out the values of x. So here we have to make two assumptions. So let our first assumption be that triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. So let us draw it over here. So this is our first assumption, that triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. So here angle A will be equal to angle A because this becomes a common angle for these two triangles. Angle B will be equal to angle C and angle E will be equal to angle D. So here we have broken down the two triangles and drawn them separately. So this is triangle ABE and this is triangle ACD. So angle A is equal to angle A, angle B is equal to angle C, and angle E is equal to angle D. Now once we have done this, we have marked the sides. So here we can see that in triangle ABE, AB is 8 cm and AE is 12 cm. Now AC is going to be the total length over here, that is x plus 8. So here we have written AC length as x plus 8 and the length of AD is going to be 12 cm plus 3 cm, giving us 15 cm. Now once we have drawn this, we know that if the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will be in the same proportion. So here we have written, since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So the side AB corresponds to the side AC. So AB over AC is equal to the side AE from the first triangle corresponds to the side AD from the second triangle. So AE over AD. Now we have substituted their respective values. AB is 8 over AC is x plus 8 is equal to AE is 12 and AD is 15. Now in the next step we are going to cross multiply these two terms and going to cross multiply these two terms, giving us 8 multiplies with 15 is equal to 12 multiplies with x plus 8. Now 8 times 15 gives us 120 is equal to, now we are going to expand this bracket. So 12 times x gives us 12x plus 12 times 8 gives us 96. Now we are going to take 96 on the other side of equal to sign. So we get 12x is equal to 120. Now positive 96 on the other side of equal to sign becomes negative 96. Now the difference between these two terms gives us 24. So dividing both the sides by 12 we get x is equal to 24 divided by 12. So 12 divides 24, that is 12 one times is 12 and 12 two times is 24. So we got the first value of x over here as 2 cm. Now let us move on to the second assumption which we are going to make over here. So I have reconsidered this figure over here for easy reference. Now the second assumption is triangle ABE is going to be similar to triangle ADC. That is angle A will be equal to angle A. Now angle B will be equal to angle D and angle E will be equal to angle C. So this is going to be our second assumption. So here we have written assumption 2, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ADC. And again we have broken down the two triangles over here and the positions of the angles have been marked respectively. So now the positions of C and D has changed. So the angle corresponding to B now becomes D. And the angle corresponding to E now becomes C. So accordingly we have to make changes to the sides now. So in triangle ABE, AB is going to be still 8 cm and AE is going to be 12 cm. Now in triangle ACD, the length of AD is going to be 15 cm and the length of AC is going to be x plus 8 cm. So the lengths have not changed, just their positions have got changed. Now since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are going to be in the same proportion. So here the side AB now corresponds to the side AD. So AB over AD is equal to, the side AE now corresponds to the side AC. So we have written here AE over AC. Now substituting their respective values, we get 8 over 15 is equal to 12 over x plus 8. Now let us cross multiply. That is, we are going to multiply these two terms and we are going to multiply these two terms. So 8 multiplies with x plus 8 is equal to 12 times 15. Now expanding this bracket, we get 8 times x is 8x plus 8 times 8 is 64 is equal to 12 times 15 gives us 180. Now taking positive 64 on the other side of equal to sign, we get 8x is equal to 180 minus 64. Now the difference of these two numbers gives us 116, and dividing both the sides by 8, we get x is equal to 116 divided by 8. So this is going to give us the value of x as 14.5. So this is the second value of x which we get by our second assumption. So here we have two values of x, that is x equal to 2 and x equal to 14.5 centimeter. So these are our answers. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.